Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Tim Vandergrift from Midwest Supplies, and today I'm showing off my Sovereign Stainless Steel Fermenter. It has a host of features which are awesome and some benefits that aren't obvious at first, but when you understand how they're used, it is great. Taking a look from the top down, the lid uses a standard bung and airlock combo, and the dome top is big enough to accommodate any fermentation. It's 8 gallons plus a lot of foaming room. The lid clamps down, and when you pull it off, there is a silicone seal here, which means that it's not going to overflow off the edges at any time, and it's easy to keep clean and sanitary. Inside, it has graduated marks, so there's no guesswork whether you've got yourself to 8 gallons or 6 gallons or whatever you're putting in there. It's marked right on the side. The next part of the Sovereign Fermenter is an Isoflow dip tube and single-piece bulkhead connector that also attaches to a 1/2-inch ball valve and a barbed connector for a hose. Assembly is a snap. Take apart the Isoflow bulkhead, push it from the inside of the Sovereign Fermenter to the outside, and then secure it using the spacer and the nut. Wrap all the exposed surfaces with the Teflon tape that we supply, put on the ball valve, and then screw in the hose barb. Now you're ready to use it to control the flow from the inside of the fermenter to the outside. The 1/2-inch ball valve, along with a hose barb, allows you to simply and easily rack out of the fermenter. Just add a hose, take it into your carboy. And because you've got that adjustable dip tube inside, you will be able to control the amount of flow, the amount of pickup, and the amount of sediment that comes along. The Sovereign has a great form factor. It's just about 13 inches across, so it fits nicely into most spaces. It's just about 23 inches tall without the bung and airlock, so it'll fit into most spaces where you're already using carboys. And the sturdy handles let you lift it and move it while it's full very easily. In the years that I've been brewing, I've had dozens of different fermenters, and I've had to replace some of them pretty regularly. Plastic gets brittle or scratched. Glass, well, if you bump it once, you're done. But this one is going to last me for decades. It's sturdy, it's stainless, and it has all the features that I want in a fermentation vessel that make it flexible enough for anything I'm going to be using it for. Hey, thanks for checking out the Sovereign. I'm Tim Vandergrift from Midwest Supplies and Master Vintner. And remember, you can uncork or brew something special with us.